Hello, Karabo here. This week we complete the OI90 formula by discussing the 90 in the formula, which is the 90-minute time meeting. Remember, how you run your meetings is how you run your business. Here's how you do it successfully. Number 1, you choose a skillful facilitator. Number 2, you choose a note keeper, someone that will write down all the issues and to-do lists. We suggest using Google Documents as this is shared instantly. Number 3, it is vital to have a timekeeper, someone that will make sure that the meeting starts and finish on time. Please note that these meetings can happen either physically or virtually. Here are some of the benefits that you could experience with the 90-minute team meeting. Number 1, it can provoke a desired impact for people to speak up and not waste time. Number 2, it can help you resolve issues. Number 3, it is a reminder of the bigger picture. Number 4, it is time carved. This brings an end to the OI90 formula series. Next week, we will discuss another topic on our journey to master the art of delegation. Have a good day. Remember to like, follow, and share all of our posts and switch on your notifications so that when we come up, you will know.